Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, Windows Live Movie Maker. Okay, so first we are going to learn how to start Windows Movie Maker. So click on start button, type Windows Movie Maker. Okay, then you will find here Windows Movie Maker. Okay, now this is the main screen of Movie Maker. Okay, what we can do in this, we can create videos using photos, audio and videos. Okay, also we can edit two or more videos, we can split the videos. Okay, we can mute the sound from the videos and we can add new sound also. So how we can do this? Let's take one example. For this we are going to insert a pictures. You can see here, this is the storyboard. In this we can put here pictures, but before that we have to insert some pictures. Okay, so click here pictures, and I'm going to use default pictures from the computer. If your computer have your own photos, you can use from your computer, or also you can download from the internet. Okay, so I'm going to select Control A and selecting all the photos and import into here. Now we can put it, you have two options to put the photo into storyboard. You can select individually one by one, or you can select all by pressing Control A. Okay, and then drag it to the storyboard. It will automatically arrange all photos into the storyboard. Okay, now after this we can edit the text, we can edit the animation, but before we add the animation we are going to add the titles. So for your videos, if you want to set a title at the beginning, so click here and type it, for example, my first movie. Okay, you can see here preview. But if you want to change the background color and font color, you can click here change the animation. First we can change the animation as we want. Okay, you can set any animation like this. Okay, I want to set this, I want to change the background color, so click here, you can set the background color like this, and you can set the text color also like yellow. Okay, and also you can increase the font size by pressing here. You can increase the font size of your text. Okay, assign the bold and change the text. Okay, so this way we can edit the our content. Now click on add the title. So title will be added at the beginning of your storyboard. Second, if you want to add any thank you or end the end, you can click here credit at the end. You can type here the end. Okay, now you can type here like this. Like this. Okay, again we can change the animation from here. Okay, like this, scrolling or fade in like this. Okay, if you want to change the color, you can change the background color from here like this. Okay, you can change like this. Now click add, it will add it at the end of this slide. Okay, so this is called credit at the end. Okay, now we are going to add the effects. So click here effects, you can add the effects to the star. You can see here each photo has a star option, so it is called the effects. So drag the effect and put it the particular star. Okay, you can set any effect to any photo. Right now we have added selected photos, means 5 to 6 photos we have added. Okay, so we are going to add an animation to that photos only. But if you have added more than 100 or more than 50 photos, then it may take time to add effects to all. Okay, now after this we have here option to add transition here. Okay, between two photos, means how your photo will be up here. So you can click here transition and you can put the transition as you want. Okay, we have many transitions, so put anyone that you like. Okay, drag it to the here. See, if you drag to the here, it will not accept. Okay, remember effects should be applied to the photos and its content. Okay, so this way we can edit. Done. So we have added the animation and effects. Okay, now we are going to add the let's, you can see preview. Here we can see the preview from the first to last, how it will be appear. Okay, you can see. Now after this we are going to learn how to insert audio in this. Okay, so I'm going to pause this. Now go to the audio music. We have sample music here, so I'm going to select it and click on import. Okay, now you have here option to click here timeline, so you can see here videos, music and title overlay. Okay, so I'm going to add here music from starting. Now you can see here our photos are up to 40 seconds long, but you can see the music is more than 1 minute. Okay, so we can decrease it like using this option. Okay, now let's play how it will be played like this. Okay, okay students, so this way we can add music also. Now if you want to add any text to particular photo, for example in this photo I want to add some text here, so move to that image. You can click here to add the particular photo, or right click here to add the text. Click here titles and credits. Here to second option, third option is the title on the selected clip. You can click here like a flower. I want to add a flower word here. Okay, so click on add title. So you can see here title will be there, flower title will be. Okay students, so this way we can add the title and the photos also. Okay, now we are going to save this file first, so click on file menu and save the project. I am going to save project here by name standard 8 English medium chapter 4. Okay, project 1, and saving this. We have saved only file. Now okay, now we are going to publish this, so click here. Now change the name. Okay, for example I'm going to type here standard 8 English medium chapter 4. Okay, and project number 1, so it will be remain same. Now where I want to save on the desktop, so click on browse button and move to the desktop and click here desktop. Okay, now click on next. It will ask you the quality of your photo, so it may be best quality, and click to publish. Okay, so depends on your photos. Here we have inserted only 5 to 6 photos, so it may be completed less than 1 minute. But if you have added more than 50 to 60 photos, okay, so it may take up to 5-6 minutes to complete, depends on your title or videos and photos or animation. Okay, so let's see. It will complete it less than 10 seconds. Okay, so yeah, we are going to play this. Now click on finish, it will automatically play. Okay, now see. Okay, so this way we can create the photos, videos using the photos. Okay, now after this we are going to learn how to create the videos using the videos, or we can edit the videos also. Okay, so for this we are going to take a new project. Yes. Okay, now we are going to save this by pressing the standard 8 English medium project 1. Okay, now next video next is here. Now then after we are going to add video files. We have already one video file is there downloaded, so insert the video file here, click on timeline and drag to the here. Okay, now we have added the video files. Okay, Now in this video file we want to add some text here. Okay, if you want to cut it, we can also cut here. Click here, we can go to the clip option. We have option trim from beginning or trim from end, or we can also use this split. Okay, so we are going to add some text here. Click here and we are going to add here at the beginning. Just click here. Now go to the Reddit's title on selected clips. Use of Windows Movie Maker. Okay, now add title here, a particular place. Okay, now see. Okay, if you want to cut any part, so you can click here, then go to the clip and you can put here. Okay, and or split here, so you can, it can be split. Now we want to split it also, so click here and split it again. Now we are going to delete it. Selected part, it can be removed. Done. Okay, this way we can remove. Now you want to split it again, click the split. Okay, it can be in a different area, so you can split here. Now if you want to assign any animation, so select it, clip, video, animation, fade in, like this. Okay, and for this fade out, or if you want to set any other effects, so you can add any effect like this, insert, and okay, so it will be like this. Okay, like also we can add here fade out, so like this it can be. Okay, so if you want to add text here, you can go to here, titles, and you can click here, then type here videos, and you can change here as per your requirement. Then we can see here clearly. Okay, spelling mistake is there, videos, video. Okay, and then okay, done. Now we want to export this. Okay, so before export we have to save this document by project 2 and save it. Okay, now for this we can click here, export to this computer, project 2 on the desktop, finish and publish it. Okay students, this is very simple to create videos using the Windows Live Movie Maker. Okay, if you don't have this software, please contact me on my Telegram channel, Pradusha Computer Center. I will send you this software on the Telegram. Okay, so I hope you learned this. Okay, and you can easily understood this software. Okay students, I'm going to write here my channel name, Telegram channel name here. Okay, so that you can search here on the Telegram. Okay, you can join this, then I will send you the this Windows Live Movie Maker file. Okay, when you create any videos, and if you have made interesting video, please send me. Okay, so hope students you understood this software, Windows Live Movie Maker. After this I'm going to solve the exercise of this chapter. Okay, now first fill in the blanks. To add a photo, click the home tab. The open project option is available on the dash tab, so Movie Maker tab. When you select a video, the edit tab appears under Windows tools. On selecting the text, the dash tab under text tools appears, so answer will be format. A project in Movie Maker is saved with the extension .wlmp, Windows Live Movie Maker project. True, false. You cannot use picture of your digital camera in Movie Maker. False. We can add. You can trim a part of your video in Movie Maker. True. The add group is available on the home tab. True. You cannot cause the music to fade out at the end. False. Titles can only be added at the beginning of the first slide. True. This part of the Movie Maker windows is used to add photos, videos and titles. Storyboard. Which of the following tabs has the commands to create, open and save the project? Movie Maker. To select a new project, press Ctrl N. The Add Music option is available on the Dash tab, Home tab. Which of the following options is or are available on the Home tab? So all of these. Question answer. How can you add music to a project? For this, click Home tab, Add Group, Music tab and select Music and click on Insert. Write the steps to add titles at the beginning of a movie. For this, select the photo or video, go to Home tab, Add Group, Titles and type your text and click OK. Write keyboard shortcut to open and save the project. For open, Ctrl+O, and for this save, Ctrl+S. How can you add transition between clips? For this, select the clip, go to Animation tab, Transition Group and click on it. Name the tab that has the option to add photos and videos. For this, we have to go to Home tab and click on Add Group. Write down steps to add caption to a photo or clip. For this, Home tab, Add Group, Caption tab, Caption option, type text and OK. How can you quickly add photos to the storyboard? For this, we have to select all the photos and drag it to the storyboard. Which tab has the option to split the music into two parts? Select the clip, Music Tools, open option tab and editing group and click on split. Okay students, so this is all about the chapter number 4, Windows Live Movie Maker. Please use this software to accelerate your knowledge in creating videos. Okay, in this you can create your own videos like birthday videos, status, WhatsApp status also you can create in this. Okay, because you can add photos, videos and text and also animation. Okay, so create any videos. If you have a computer, you can create videos in your computer, and kindly send me if you have made an interesting video. Please send me on the WhatsApp or in my Telegram channel. Okay, so hope you students you can understood this chapter well. Okay, thank you, bye.